Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, where we explore the latest trends and developments in technology and how they're impacting society. In this episode, we're going to discuss the rise of artificial intelligence and its impact on the workforce. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing the way we work and live. AI is a broad term that refers to machines that can perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and natural language processing. With advances in AI technology, machines are becoming increasingly capable of performing complex tasks, leading to concerns about the impact of AI on the workforce. One of the main concerns about AI is that it could replace jobs currently done by humans. Many industries are already seeing the effects of automation and AI, such as manufacturing, transportation, and customer service. As machines become more capable, they are increasingly able to perform tasks that were once done exclusively by humans, such as driving, data analysis, and even creative work like writing and design. However, while AI may replace some jobs, it also has the potential to create new jobs and industries. For example, the development of AI requires experts in computer science, mathematics, and data analysis, creating new job opportunities in these fields. In addition, the increasing use of AI in various industries is creating new roles such as AI trainers, data analysts, and algorithm developers. Another potential impact of AI on the workforce is the need for workers to develop new skills. As machines take on more tasks, humans will need to develop new skills and knowledge to work alongside them. This means that education and training will become increasingly important, as workers will need to learn how to use and interact with AI systems. Finally, AI has the potential to make work more efficient and effective. AI systems can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make decisions based on that data, allowing for faster and more accurate decision-making. This can lead to increased productivity, better customer service, and improved outcomes for businesses and consumers alike. So there you have it, a brief overview of the rise of artificial intelligence and its impact on the workforce. While AI may replace some jobs, it also has the potential to create new jobs and industries. As we move forward into the future, it will be important to consider the ethical and social implications of AI, and to ensure that its benefits are shared by all members of society. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in next time for more insights on the latest technology and innovation.